guys, this is Bree from Clay County Conservation Board. I am your Clay County naturalist. Today we're going to talk about something that I love to find when I'm walking around out in nature, because this is an animal sign. And this animal sign is, the scientific word that we're going to call it is scat. And scat is animal poop. So everyone poops, animals poop, you poop, right? So the animal poop that we find out in the woods is called scat. And scat can be in 3 different forms and 3 different characteristics, 3 different types of animal scat, because there are 3 different types or 3 different characteristics to identify the animals. So the first animal that has really sharp teeth, it has eyes in the front, and it likes to hunt. And that animal is a carnivore. Carnivore eats only meat. And it eats only meat, so their scat is long and tubular, and it looks like, it kind of looks like 2 Tootsie Rolls put together. So I think you can see here which one. Here's 1, 2, 3. Now these are rubber. They are pretend scat. If you do see scat, do not pick it up, because you don't want to. Do not pick it up. You can just look at it, and you can poke at it with a stick. But so which one? So 1, 2, 3. Which one is long and tubular? If you guessed 1, you are correct. So this is carnivore scat. And do you know what kind of animal this scat came out of? So it kind of looks like 2 tubes, long 2 Tootsie Rolls put together. This is a coyote scat. And coyote scat, they are, it is long, and then usually there's fur at the tip of it, because they do eat animals with fur. They eat like rabbits and that kind of stuff. So there is fur at the tip of it. And a lot of, not always, but a lot of coyote scat is in the shape of a Y. So that is another identification. That's another ID that you can ID with scat. Now it is long tubular. It has that is carnivore scat. So the next scat, or the next identification of scat, is herbivore. Now herbivore are animals that eat only plants. And animals that eat only plants, can you think of a couple that eat only plants? If you guessed rabbits or deer, yeah, of course, you're correct. Herbivore scat is circular shape. Okay, it's circular shape. It looks like a circle. Now, beaver, they are herbivores. Their scat kind of looks like orange chicken nuggets. Rabbit scat, they, the scat that we see looks are circular shape, and they kind of look like Cocoa Puffs, right? Now deer scat, they are circular shape too. Sometimes they're clumped up, but they are circular shape, and they look like kind of chocolate covered peanuts or chocolate covered raisins. So here is a clump of deer scat. You can kind of see that they do look like raisins or chocolate covered peanuts here. So that is an example of deer scat. Now the other scat, so the third and final one, is animals that eat plants and meat. Okay, plants and meat. And that is omnivore. Omnivore means they eat both. So they eat plants and meat. And whatever they eat is in their scat. You are omnivore, you know what is in your scat. So omnivore can be like a skunk, a possum, or a raccoon. Now raccoons, whatever they eat is in their scat. So this raccoon ate some seeds, and you can see that there are seeds in this scat. So omnivore scat, it's a plain plop of grossness. There is no shape to it, and whatever they eat is in their scat. So if a raccoon eats a candy wrapper, it will be in their scat. Okay. Another omnivore. It is an omnivore. We do not have it in Iowa, but it's really cool to see. Really cool to see their scat because it's really, really big, and it's about as size as my hand. And this is an omnivore. Now they will eat meat mostly in the summer or in the when they can get it, but they are omnivores. They eat a lot of plants and berries and some honey as well. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed black bear, you are correct. We do not have them in Iowa. They do have them in northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, but their scat is a plain plop of grossness. It is really big. As you can see, it's the size of my hand. And if you see bear scat, walk the other direction. Now, bear scat, it is very big. It's just a plain plop of grossness. Next time you are in your backyard or at an area with your family, socially distancing outside, see if you can find any scat. Like I said, don't touch it, but you can just look at it with your eyes and see what type of scat is it. Is it the carnivore scat that is 2 Tootsie Rolls put together? Is it the omnivore scat with the plain plop of grossness? Is it the herbivore scat? It's the plant eater that has circular shape. What scat can you find? I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and we will see you later.